Is the iPhone 13 worth the upgrade? How does the new pink color look in person? Let's unbox it and find out. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox the iPhone 13 in this new pink color. Check out the major improvements and this one new feature, and end with my thoughts on if it's a worthy upgrade. By the way, I'll link my first impressions on the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the new Sierra blue color here and in the description below. I'll also be posting an unboxing video of this new iPad mini 6 in purple shortly, so subscribe to my channel and come back for those videos if you're interested. Okay, back to the pink iPhone 13. The box is white with the back of the pink iPhone printed on top. Interesting how there's a line going across showing a darker and lighter shade of pink. The lettering and the Apple logo on the sides are also in pink. Pretty. New for this year, there's no longer a plastic wrap on the package. Apple is trying to eliminate plastic from all packaging by 2025. Kudos to Apple for doing what they can to save the earth. There are now these two paper pull tabs to tear open the box. Very smooth. Twice as satisfying. Love how no tools are needed still. Inside the box, there it is. Very good looking light pink color. Even for me who usually would not consider pink. I like how it's light and subtle. There are also 4 other colors available: red, starlight, midnight, which is like black, and blue. I like the shade of this year's blue as well, but I think this pink is the best color this year. As usual, there are the SIM card eject tool, paperwork, and a white Apple sticker. As expected, the charger is no longer included starting last year, but there is still the USB-C to Lightning charging cable. Apple hasn't done pink on the iPhone for a while, and this pastel pink is very approachable, not overbearing. The brushed aluminum edges are also in the same shade of pink. Even though it may not feel as premium as the stainless steel edges on the Pro models, I like how these brush edges don't pick up fingerprints. Besides color, the phone is largely the same as last year's iPhone 12 on the outside. I have the also very nice green iPhone 12 here. They're made of the same materials, same aluminum edges with clear glass backs, and same size for the most part. The iPhone 13 is supposed to be a tiny bit 0.01 inches or 0.25 millimeters thicker. That's too small for me to tell. It's about 0.36 ounces or 10 grams heavier, which I could feel in my hands, but not bad at all. The most obvious difference is the new iPhone 13 cameras are bigger and arranged diagonally instead of on the same side of the camera bump. On the right side, the sleep wake button is the same size and the millimeter wave antenna looks a bit smaller, both shifted down a bit. On the left side, the mute switch, the buttons, and the SIM card tray are also the same size, but moved down a bit on the iPhone 13. The top side is the same and the bottom is the same. While they're almost the same, too bad iPhone 12 case would not fit on the iPhone 13, mostly due to the larger camera bump. If Apple were still using S to indicate an incremental upgrade year like they did with iPhone 6s, I think the iPhone 13 would be called the iPhone 12s. That's not a bad thing. Keeping the outside mostly the same, Apple has made improvements in all the important features and even added a new one. The notch is now narrower but a bit thicker. There's the faster and more efficient A15 processor, better battery life like 2 more hours of video playback, bigger internal storage options, 175 nits brighter screen at 800 nits maximum brightness, and better cameras with bigger sensors that can take in 47% more light for better photos and videos. The wide camera also has sensor shift stabilization introduced in last year's iPhone 12 Pro Max. All great improvements. With the faster A15 processor and better cameras, all iPhone 13 models have a new cinematic video mode. It's like the photo portrait mode and more. It can now blur video backgrounds or foregrounds automatically or by selection manually. What's more amazing to me is the focus and the amount of blur can be adjusted afterwards during editing on the phone. Hopefully, we'll be able to do the same in video editing softwares like Final Cut Pro soon. Too bad only 1080p at 30 frames per second is supported now. You can check out my video on iPhone 13 Pro Max for my thoughts on that. So, do I think iPhone 13 is worth the upgrade? If you already have an iPhone 12, not so much. But if you have an older iPhone with a limited budget, I think the regular iPhone 13 succeeds iPhone 12 as the best bang for the buck iPhone to upgrade to in 2021. And this new pink color is very nice. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please support me by hitting that like button and sharing this video with your friends. I really appreciate it. Are you considering an upgrade to iPhone 13 this year, or have you already gotten one? I'd love to know how you like it in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.